All right, so today we're breaking down an ad from Dr. V's New York MedSpa in Queens. They're running a HydraFacial promo for $149 and has potential, but the ad itself, let's just say it feels more like a Wikipedia entry than a scroll stopper. All right, it opens with, do you want to be the best version of yourself? That's not a hook, that's a motivational poster. The next line says, are you looking, for a way to get glowing, beautiful skin without having to go through a long and expensive process, right? Way too long, way too soft. Nobody scrolling Instagram or Facebook is reading that and saying, oh, wow, I must click that. Then it goes into a long clinical explanation of what a HydraFacial is, right? HydraFacial is a revolutionary skincare treatment that combines cleansing, exfoliation, extraction, hydration, and antioxidant protection all in one quick, easy, non-invasive step. And on and on and on, right? This reads like a product brochure, not a high energy emotional ad. We also have this, right? So it says, where is it at? So why wait? Get the offer now and take one step closer to becoming the best version of yourself, right? Again, it's trying to be inspiring, but it ends up sounding vague and forgettable. There's no clear call to action, no local flavor, no social proof, and almost zero emotion. So let's turn into something that actually gets booking. Now we're going to rewrite this ad using our $97 ad rewrite playbook, and I'll break down each line and the marketing move behind it. So let me go ahead and screenshot this ad, add it to my document here, just so we have it. All right, there it is. And we're only going to work on the copy and the headline. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to localize this and deliver a clear promise. So we're going to say, hey Queens, want glowier skin in under 30 minutes, question mark, right? It's short, punchy, and scroll stopping. Our 149 HydraFacial is loved by busy New Yorkers who want fresh, flawless skin fast, right? This taps into identity and social energy, no fluff. Then we'll say it deep cleans, hydrates, and leaves your face feeling like silk, right? Specific, tactile, and benefit first. Perfect for first dates, job interviews, or just feeling yourself again, right? This is about when they'll use it and why they want it. Big lifestyle motion play here. What's next? Normally $225, now just $149 for new clients. So we're anchoring the value clearly and show the savings without sounding desperate. Only 9 facials left at this price, and they book up fast. Right, so we're adding in some concrete scarcity. This always beats vague urgency. Your skin deserves more than makeup. It deserves a real reset. All right, we're hitting the emotional appeal with a punchy twist, no jargon. Great for all skin types, especially if you haven't treated yourself in a while. This line speaks directly to those feeling overdue for self-care. So now we're going to have easy, social friendly call to action, comment glow, and we'll DM you the link to book. And then we'll wrap it up with exclusivity. So first time clients only. You're not basic. Your facial shouldn't be either. All right, and that is our ad copy. Let's throw in some headlines here. Queens Glow Facial 149, 30-minute skin reset. All right, and that's our ad copy. So it says, hey Queens, want glow your skin in under 30 minutes? Our $149 HydraFacial is loved by busy New Yorkers who want fresh, flawless skin fast. It deep cleans, hydrates, and leaves your face feeling like silk. Perfect for first dates, job interviews, or just feeling yourself again. Normally $225, now just $149 for new clients. Only 9 facials left at this price, and they book up fast. Your skin deserves more than makeup. It deserves a real reset. Great for all skin types, especially if you haven't treated yourself in a while. Comment GLOW and we'll DM you the link to book. First time clients only. You're not basic, your facial shouldn't be either. And the headlines are Queens Glow Facial 149, 30-minute skin reset. All right, so the original ad tried to explain the facial. We rewrote it to sell the transformation. We went from soft and clinical to bold, emotional, and specific. Now it sounds like a friend hyping you up, not a product manual. And that's what makes ads book clients in 2025. This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.